Mama Sora, Rika. Yes. Thank you, Jonathan. Eugene.
Mama Sora, Rika.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Busa Cobra, you're here. I did not recognize you. Good morning to you, boss. Oh my goodness, why are you up so early? Sleep back na. No. Actually, I wake up at 3 a.m. preparing breakfast for the student. So yeah, that's why I'm going live so early. And now I'm sleepy, but I can't sleep back again because after this live, I'm gonna wash the dishes and yeah, preparing breakfast again for my boss. And then after doing chores at home, you know, so maybe I can sleep at afternoon when I have free time. Idol, uy, ginoo ko, Dol, ano ba ginawa mo sa buhay? Masyado ka na. Good morning, Rodolfo Abastillas. Yes, good morning, Lords. Kumusta ang iyong lagay? Is it evening there, boss? Ako, bro, why are you not sleeping? It's not late there in UK. Eugene, thank you so much. Punta ka dito, Dol. Gusto ko personal. Charot. La 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 la. I wanna hold you till I die. Nakita niyo ba malabo yung signal ko? Umuulan sa labas. It's raining outside.